Hello student, today in this video we will solve some word problem of chapter decimal. First question, a car covers a distance of 108.9 kilometers in 1.8 hours. What is the average speed of the car? So here we have to find the average speed of car. First, total distance covered by car 108.9 kilometers. Total time taken 1.8 hours. So formula, speed is equal distance upon time. So average speed of the car is equal distance covered by car upon time taken. Right distance 108.9 upon time 1.8 hours, kilometer per hour. Here we have to divide decimal number by decimal number. Okay. For this, first convert the divisor into whole number. 8.9 divided by 1.8. First, see here how many digits in the decimal part? Only one digit. So we have to multiply by 10 in numerator and in denominator. Now multiply. The answer is 1089 upon 18. Now divide 1089 divided by 18 kilometer per hour. Right? And the answer is 60.5 kilometer per hour. Average speed of the car is 60.5 kilometer per hour. Second question, the product of two decimals is 1.5008. Product of two decimal. Okay. If one of them is 0.56, find the other. Here product of two decimal 1.5008. Here one decimal is 0.56. So we have to find the other number. The other decimal is equal 1.5008 divided by 0.56. Here again division decimal to decimal. So write 1.5008 upon 0.56. First convert this divisor into whole number. Okay. For this, see here how many digits in the decimal part? 2 digits. So we have to multiply by 100 in numerator and in denominator. So multiply by 100. Now the answer is 150.08 upon 56. Now divide. As we divide the whole number. Okay. 56. 2s are 112. Subtract. Here remainder 38. Now put the point in the question and write down 0. Now 56 6 336. Subtract. Again remainder 44. Write down 8. 56 8s 448 and the remainder is 0. Hence the other decimal is 2.68. Question third. Mrs. Bose bought 15.5 liter of refined oil for rupees 1122.20. Find its cost per liter. Cost of 15.5 liter of refined oil, rupees 1122.20. Cost of 1 liter of refined oil is equal, here we have to find the cost of per liter of refined oil. So cost of 1 liter of refined oil is equal rupees cost of 15.5 liter of refined oil upon 15.5 liter. Okay. Now here divisor 15.5, convert this divisor into whole number. For this, see how many digit in the decimal part? 1 digit. And now we have to multiply by 10 in numerator and in denominator. So here 1122.20 multiplied by 10 upon 15.5 into 10. Next 11,222.0 upon 155. Now divide as we divide the whole number. So here 155 sevens are 1085, subtract 37 remainder. Now write down 2 here, 155 2s are 310, subtract and the remainder is 62. Now write down here, first put the decimal point in the quotient and write down 0. Now 155 4 times 620 and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 72.4. Hence the cost of refined oil is rupees 72.40 per liter. Question 4. Find the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8. Average of the given number is equal sum of the given number upon total numbers. Okay. So sum of the given number 4.2 plus 7.4 plus 8.8 upon here total number 1 2 3, so total number is 3. Now add 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8 and the answer is 20.4. So 20.4 upon 3. The sum of the given number is 20.4 and total number 3. Now divide 3 6 18, subtract remainder 2. Now put the point in the question and write down 4 here. 3 8s are 24, subtract remainder 0, 6.8. Hence the average of the given number is 6.8.